The Laboratory for Chemistry and Life Science, now in its 6th year, was established as a result of a major organizational reform at the university. But the institution itself has a history of more than 80 years. It was established by an imperial decree of Emperor Showa, who declared that the institute would be responsible for the study and research of the science and application of chemistry. Although the people of the institute have changed, this noble philosophy has been handed down from generation to generation, and the tradition of social contribution based on basic research in pursuit of scientific principles has been cultivated. Although the words basic and application seem to suggest two contradicting axes, they encapsulate an excellent research philosophy that is in line with modern standards, as it is inclusive, like an ellipse which has two focal points. In today's world, where science and technology are developing at a dizzying pace, fundamentals and applications are considered to be two sides of the same coin. In other words, today's discoveries will lead to tomorrow's inventions. The Institute's philosophy of learning from the past has become more and more important and applicable to the present. The laboratory is proud to be playing a role in opening up a new era of science and technology in Japan and has high aspirations based on this philosophy. The Laboratory for Chemical and Life Science has inherited this philosophy and has set a mission to make contributions to the advancement of human culture and the realization of a more sustainable society through the development of in-depth research, from the basics to the applications of molecular chemistry and life sciences. As we move deeper into the 21st century, and in response to the demands of the times, we have actively incorporated the field of life sciences into our research and have established 4 research groups: the chemistry of molecular creation, molecular assembly, molecular functions, and molecular life science. In order to realize our mission, in each area, professors, associate professors, and assistant professors form research groups to conduct original research on materials, resources, energy, medicine, and life sciences, all based on chemistry. We are actively working to build a platform to strengthen our research base in Japan as part of fulfilling our social responsibilities as a leading research institute of a national university. Since 2009, our laboratory has participated in activities undertaken by the Network Joint Research Center for Materials and Devices, which acts as a network-type national joint use and research platform, organized in tandem with Materials Chemistry and Engineering, Kyushu University, the Institute of Scientific and Industrial Research, Osaka University, the Institute of Multidisciplinary Research for Advanced Materials, Tohoku University, and the Research Institute for Electronic Science, Hokkaido University. With this base activity as a foundation, the team of 5 research institutes are also collaborating on a project called Dynamic Alliance for Open Innovation, Bridging Human, Environment and Materials. Thus, we actively promote and support collaborative research among researchers that belong to each institute by creating networks inside and outside Japan. An endeavor that has already resulted in a number of significant research outcomes. Many of our faculty members are still in their 30s and, including students, are making significant progress through close cooperation and friendly competition within the laboratory. They are developing highly active and world-leading outcomes rooted in their research strengths. As a result, our laboratory has produced many excellent researchers employed by academic and industrial institutions in Japan and overseas, forming a global spanning network. Finally, we will continue with our traditional philosophy and do our best to deliver our research potential and activities to the world.